Good afternoon, class ninth. Uh, I had sent you my personal notes of commerce related to commercial activities and non-commercial activities. And today we are going to start our explanation. I had sent you my personal notes, and now we are going to ahead with the explanation. It's a humble request to all my commerce students to please listen it very clearly and carefully. I know you will get to understand because I'm going to use most easiest language so that my students can understand the clear cut concept of commercial activities and as well as non-commercial activities. So let us start with the first of all with the human activity, which is the basic of this chapter, that is the human activities. So starting with the meaning of the human activity, that is all the activities which is done by human. All the activities which is done by human is known as human activities. Is that clear? So human activities can be divided into two parts, that is commercial activities and non-commercial activities. Commercial activities class ninth, as per the notes of whatever I have given you. Commercial activities are those activities class 9 which is exclusively done for the purpose of earning profit. Means all those activities which is done to earn something, to earn some money, that is known as commercial activities. Is that clear, class ninth? Whereas some activities which are done not to earn profit, not at all to earn profit. Is that clear? The activities which is done not at all to earn profit but for some psychological satisfaction. Psychological satisfaction might be it is a new word for you, class 12, class 9, sorry, class 9 might be it is a new word for you, class 9th. No, psychological satisfaction means some mental satisfaction, you can say, some दिमागी की शांति के लिए, या you can say मन की शांति के लिए. Yes, the correct word in Hindi is मन की शांति के लिए. Whatever work we are doing, that is known as psychological satisfaction. Please cooperate with my Hindi, it is bit weak in nature. Please do cooperate, class 9. And some yes, we were in non-commercial activities. Non-commercial activities are those activities, class 9th, which is done for some psychological satisfaction, and you can say mental satisfaction, and not at all, these activities are not directed towards profit earning. These activities are not at all concerned with earning profit, but कुछ मन की शांति के लिए we are doing anything जो हमें बस अच्छा लगता है, and we are doing it. That is known as non-commercial activities. Now let us start with the examples of commercial activities and non-commercial activities, because examples are very important. After that you will get a clear cut difference between commercial activities and non-commercial activities. Okay, class 9. So pay attention. Some examples of commercial activities are see, a labor goes to a factory for work. Why a labor is going to a factory, class 9th? Why? Because he wants to earn some money, that is why he is going to factory. Is that clear? An advocate pleads in the court. Why an advocate is why an advocate is running a case? Why? Because he wants to earn some fees, some profit. Means whatever work a person is doing just to earn profit. मतलब अगर कोई भी इंसान या कोई भी पर्सन अगर पैसा कमाने के लिए जो एक्टिविटी कर रहा है, दैट इज नोन एज कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज, क्लास 9th. if in Hindi I can say, so it is like कि means जो भी एक्टिविटी कमाने के लिए की जा रही है, चाहे वो प्रॉफिट हो, चाहे वो फीस हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, दैट इज नोन एज कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज. एम आई क्लियर? वेयर एज नॉन कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज आर दोज एक्टिविटीज आई टोल्ड यू which is done not at all for earning profit, not at all for earning profit, but for man ki shanti, or you can say psychological satisfaction, or mental satisfaction. So see, a housewife working at home, working at home, I know your mothers are working at home, as you all know, all your mothers are working at home. So why your mother is working at home? Is she's getting any earning? No, she is not getting any earning. She is getting a mental satisfaction that my children are happy, my husband is happy, so she is getting a psychological satisfaction. A person engaged in the social work, that is donation, or हम ये donation वगैरह, why people are doing donation and all? Because in return they are not getting any profit, but why they are doing? Just for psychological satisfaction. Attending religious activities, why we are attending religious activities? Do we are getting any money or any profit out of it? No, we are not getting any profit or any fees out of it. Why we are attending any religious activity? Because it is giving some psychological satisfaction, and though we are doing it, okay. And just say last one is attending to the accident victims by volunteers. If you are helping any accident victim, or you are paying money for, right now as we are going through with such a pandemic case, such a crucial pandemic season right now. So why we are giving donation, or why we are funding PM camp and etc. Why? Because out of it we are not getting any profit, we are not getting any income out of it. But why we are doing? We are doing it because we are getting psychological satisfaction. Giving food to a poor, why? Many people right now we are giving food and financial assistance to many poor right now, as it is a pandemic time is going on. So why we are doing it? Because it is a psychological it is a non-commercial activity. Why? Because we are not generating any income out of it, but yes, it is giving a psychological satisfaction. I hope class 9th the difference between non-commercial and commercial activities are clear. Just go through with this video, just have it, just listen it twice and thrice. Definitely you will get to understand what is the difference between commercial and non-commercial activities. Done for the day. Stay home, stay safe.